Do I have a cheaper dupe for these sneakers? No, absolutely not. The reason these shoes are hands down the best shoes for travel is because they are handmade. Nothing that is not handmade is going to compare to them in any way. Because they're handmade, you don't have to break them in. They last forever because they're not just glued to the sole like cheap shoes are. They're real leather, so they're incredibly easy to clean. Your feet will never hurt. And honestly, I just think they look better. I've never seen a cheaper dupe option that is as beautiful as these or anywhere even comparable. For travel, I think there's a lot of areas you can go cheaper, like with clothes, for example, but with shoes, when you're walking all day, every day on stuff like this, 20,000 steps, 30,000 steps, I do not recommend it. The last thing you want is to be in the middle of your trip and have a shoe problem. I made this mistake, I want to say like a decade ago, where I brought some cheaper shoes with me. They gave me a blister and then I almost couldn't walk for the rest of the trip. It ruined my whole trip. And that is a mistake I will never ever make again. So trust me, if there's one place you should not go cheap, it is your shoes, and there is nothing better than these handmade Italian leather sneakers for travel. But the good news is I reached out to the company that makes these, Gemi, and I asked them if they could give me a coupon code for you guys, and they very graciously did for $60 off, which is honestly amazing, especially considering they're worth it at full price. I've bought them full price a million different times myself. So I highly recommend taking advantage of the $60 off coupon code. It is Christy60, and it works on any shoes on their site. I love all their shoes. I have these, so many different styles from them.